Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
I'm working really hard at staying positive and not holding on to any stories, but I don't know what my story is regarding money and success.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, do you want money?
Yes.
So it's not coming up completely true. Okay, so what's wrong with having lots of money?
Nothing.
Okay, again, not coming up true. Okay, what are people? Okay, it could relate to what we were just talking about. What are people with lots of money like?
Me?
Like you? Okay. Is there a lot of responsibility with having lots of money?
No.
Okay, that's not coming up true at all. Actually, that's true. That's really heavy. Okay, so are you willing to step out of the story that the more money you have, the more responsibility you
Yes.
have? Oh, wow, there's so much resistance there. Okay, what will you do with all this money once you get it?
Help more people.
Do you have to help more people with more money?
No, I choose to help more people with more money.
Okay, I know you're saying that because you know what to say. That's not what's coming up there. Okay, so are you willing to step out of the story that the more money you have, the more you are obligated to help people?
Yes.
Okay, that's moving a little bit there. You're very set in that. Okay. Okay, let me ask you this. What do you think of people with lots and lots of money that don't help people?
They're not my favorite.
Okay, what do you think of them?
They're selfish.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what's going on here is you have that judgment of those people that aren't helping. You think it's their responsibility. They have the money. They should use it to help. And that judgment is there. But at the same time, well, if I get lots of money, what if I become like one of those people I'm judging? There's no way I want to become like one of those people. I hate those people. They should be helping. They're not. So they're supposed to help. That story's in there. And they're not helping. So now I don't like them. And so I have to make sure I never become like that. So I've got to minimize my money. So, okay. So are you willing, let's try it again now that you've got that better understanding. Are you willing to step out of the story that the more money you have, the more you're obligated to help people?
Yes.
That's better. Are you willing to step out of the story that you have to make sure you never become like those people that have all the money and don't help people?
Yes.
Okay. So get this. There's no rule that says you're responsible to help people when you have money. You can do whatever the fuck you want with your money. Right? And so when people decide not to help people, when you get angry at them, every time you have that emotional reaction, you're keeping money from showing up in your life.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to forgive them, let them be an allowance of who they are. And then you can start to focus because there's a whole bunch of people out there with money that are doing all sorts of wonderful things. I can't remember which basketball player it was, but he built an entire public school and is funding it so that the kids there have all their books, all their meals, everything paid for, right? He's got some money. That's what he's choosing to do. He's not obligated to. He didn't have to do any of that shit, but he's choosing to do it, right? So you're in choice of what you want to do with your money. If you want to help a lot of people, go ahead and help a lot of people. If the whole problem with being in the belief that you have to help people, and I've seen people have this belief, is that if they do make money, they keep using it to help people, even if it means they have no money left for themselves, because you have to use the money to help people. And you're allowed to have money for yourself and help people. It's not mutually exclusive.
That judgment thing's a little tricky to navigate.
It can be. You know, the more you practice these techniques, the more you get out of judgment and just into acceptance, and you're just like, oh, so that's what that person's doing. That's who they are. Okay, got it. I'm choosing to be something different, but that's where they were. It's all based on the stories they grew up in. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.